In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly where the alignment controls live and how to use them confidently so your designs look clean and consistent. First, open the Figma website in your browser and load the file you're working on. Give the page a moment to fully load so the right-hand properties panel is available. This is where most text styling happens in Figma, and alignment is part of that. Take a brief look at your canvas and make sure the area you'll be working on is clear and easy to see so you can immediately notice changes as you adjust the alignment. Now prepare your page. Make sure the text you want to align is already on the canvas and formatted enough to be legible. It can be a headline, a paragraph, or a label. The important thing is that the text layer exists and is visible because alignment affects the content inside that text layer. Once your text is ready, click the text on the canvas to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around the text and the properties on the right update. Keep your eye on the right-hand side of the screen. Under the typography section, you'll find alignment controls. These are the familiar left, center, and right options. Click left to anchor the text to the left edge of its text box, center to balance the lines evenly down the middle, or right to align the text to the right edge. As you click each option, you'll see the text shift instantly, so you can judge what looks best with your layout. Remember, this changes how the text is positioned inside its own box. It doesn't move the box itself on the canvas. There's another way to reach alignment if you prefer working through settings. Click into Settings, then look under the Basics section. You'll see an alignment option there as well. Choose left, center, or right from this area to apply the same adjustment. Both methods result in the exact same alignment. It's just a matter of which path feels more comfortable or is quicker for your workflow. Before you wrap up, take a moment to review your layout with the new alignment applied. If you're working with multiple text layers, keep the alignment consistent across related elements so your design feels cohesive. And if something looks off, simply reselect the text and switch to a different alignment until it complements your composition. That's it. Simple, precise, and effective text alignment in Figma.